My Beauty Diary 2015 Upgraded Version Damask Rose. My Beauty Diary Rose Face Mask smells like a bed of roses when you apply on your face. I prefer to do mine after washing my face at night or right before an event. The mask softens my skin and andisease my face is noticeably brighter. The best VeniCare Deep Cleaning Purifying Peel Off Black. Features beauty mask for facial care, oil control, anti-aging, acne treatment, pore cleaner, cleaning out of dirt and cuticle effectively on face. VeniCare Blackhead Remover helps to remove stain or oil spots on your face with daily use, improving the blood circulation of your face by this mask. Help to keep your face smoother and tender. Description: item type, Blackhead Removal MaskSize, about 13x4 cm capacity, 50 ml color, BlackINGREDIENTSwater, polyvinyl alcohol, glycerin, citrus Paradisi, PEG 8 Panthenol, fragrance Cellulose Gum, Tetrasodium EDTA Activated Carbon, Rosemary Extract, Avena Sativa Extract, pot Marigold, Zinc Gluconate, Lecithin, Retinyl palmitate, Archydil Propionate, Tocopheryl Acetate, Ethyl Linolenate Xanthan Gum, Limonene, Linalool, Geraniol. Methylparaben CAUTION. Recommended usage is 3 times per week. Avoid eye contact. If contact occur, rinse thoroughly with water. Keep out of reach of children. For external use only. Dr. Jart All That Lift and Firm Hydrogel Expansion. All Dr. Jart products are thoroughly tested and approved by the consulting group of dermatologists to be safe for all skin types, even hypersensitive skin and pregnant women. Apply to cleansed face. Top portion of mask goes over upper part of face. Apply bottom portion by hooking the holes over each ear, and stretching mask across lower face. Leave on for 15-20 minutes, then remove gently. Do not rinse. Elizavukka Milky Piggy Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask. Carbonated bubble clay mask features a unique texture to clean out pores and improve skin texture. This mask lightly foams up, provide a spa-like experience. After washing, skin will be soft and supple. Nature Republic Real Nature Mask Sheet 1010. Nature Republic, a staple of K-beauty, is a name you should know when it comes to face care. This mix of sheet masks has a variety to address the different things you might need for your face. That said, I am not sure what each one addresses, so I just take turns. They all have a slightly boozy smell to them, but the other scents are fantastic. The royal jelly honey one is fantastic, and I like the tomato as well. I have normal skin and do not have a bad time with acne, and these have been good for me. Carbonate Bubble Clay Mask 100g Lolican Jack. It is a little drying, but it helps my skin feel and look very clean. It tickles so much, but it is so fun to do. The little jar has lasted me about 10 generous uses so far, and I am maybe halfway through. I will be ordering again. So fun to do at slumber parties. C-Team 6-pack assorted 18-in-1 versatile polyester. My husband wears these every day at work as a merchant mariner. They are wonderful because of all the different uses and ways to wear them. He uses them as a headband, sweatband, facial protection against dust and wind chafing, to cover the top of his head to prevent sunburn. They are long enough you can wear in the headband fashion with extra at the top to cover the top of your head. Tuck it in the backside or however you like to wear it. We'll continue purchasing these for him in the future. They come in all different designs and colors. I purchased this product at a discount in exchange for an honest review. Adecco LLC Laser Cut Metal Venetian Masquerade Mask, Filigree. Mysterious and sexy, one size fits most. This lace mask will make you more attractive at the party. The color and the style is very classic to match with your different dress up, and the black color will never out of date, it always keep up with the fashion trends. Wow Life Bunny Rabbit Ears Sexy Rabbit Ears Lace Mask. Product feature, material needle lace, weight, 20 GPC, package includes, 1 PCS sexy lace veil size. The headband is 13 cm 12 cm, the ear is 10 cm 12 cm, suitable for lady lovely, sexy, pretty item for any parties, masquerade party eye lace mask. Look perfect at an Halloween parade, night out with the girls. Women lady wedding mask, black costume party veil, bunny rabbit ears, fashion Venetian metal filigree lace, mysterious masquerade mask. Package content, 1x rabbit ears hair hand. Dead Sea Mud Mask for face and body. I'm really enjoying this mud mask. It is one of the thinner mud masks that I've used, and I like the way it slides on so easily. I like the feel of the very fine grit on my face. I am of the opinion that from the moment I apply it, to the moment I remove the last smug of it from my face, it is working. Believing what I read about the mineral content of Dead Sea mud and the documented results of the skin tests that have been conducted over the years, I also believe that this mud mask is working beyond the time I remove it from my face. I can feel the zing of the action of the minerals on my skin. I can feel a tingle and a sweet heat on the more delicate areas of my skin. When I rinsed it off, I worked the mud with its fine, sandy, abrasiveness, into my skin in areas that usually cause me problems, on my cheekbones, in the hollow underneath my cheekbones, and on the sides of my mouth and in the area between my lower lip and chin. I am sure it sloughed off some dead skin. I saw it. When I patted my skin dry, I noticed that my pores were very tight. That is a good thing. Then I patted on my witch hazel toner and then my favorite stem cell serum. Minerals in the deep sea mud are absorbed into the skin while it is on my face, so I leave it on for a good 25 minutes. The minerals in the mud stimulate blood circulation. I've read that documented testing proves that the mud helps with acne and psoriasis. Magnesium in the mud helps hydrate the skin and reduces inflammation. Amazingly, the mud also lessens the depth of wrinkles. I received a sample product from El Raqui Naturals.